In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Calendly with Zoom, a process that can be done in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. First, open up your web browser and head to the Calendly website, where you'll need to log in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your dashboard. Here, look to the left-hand menu where you'll want to select Integrations and Apps. This is the hub for connecting various tools and applications with Calendly, and it's our starting point for linking it with Zoom. Now, within the list of available integrations, scroll through until you locate Zoom. Click on it to proceed with the connection. When you click the Connect Zoom button, if you're not already logged into your Zoom account, this is a good time to do so. Calendly may prompt you to log in and authorize access to your Zoom account. This ensures that Calendly can seamlessly create and manage your Zoom meetings directly from your scheduling dashboard. Once authorization is complete and the connection is established, navigate back to the main homepage of Calendly. You'll see your existing events listed here. Find the event type you want to integrate with Zoom. If you haven't set up an event type yet, no worries. You can create a new one right from this page. Just remember, the Zoom integration can enhance your user experience by automating the setup of Zoom meetings as part of your scheduling process. Next, go to the Event Details or Location section of your selected event type. This is where you'll configure the settings for the event, including the integration with Zoom. In the Location settings, you'll find a drop-down menu. From this menu, choose Zoom. Alternatively, if you don't see it as an available choice, just hit +Add Location and select Zoom from the options that appear. After configuring your settings, click on Save and Close or Update to apply the changes. By doing this, you've successfully integrated Zoom with your Calendly event. Now, every time you schedule a meeting using this event type, Calendly will automatically create a Zoom meeting link, simplifying the scheduling process for both you and your attendees. And there you have it. You've set up Calendly with Zoom. Whether you're scheduling client meetings, interviews, or team calls, this integration helps ensure that your online meetings are organized and efficient. Remember, these integrations are not only a time saver, but also enhance the professionalism of your virtual interactions. Thank you for watching today's video, and I hope this walkthrough made the process clear and straightforward. Until next time.